Hey, my name is Darren Trees. I'm a physical therapist and the inventor of the MOVAO Mini. Here's what to expect whenever you receive yours. The Mini comes fully assembled and includes a carrying case for portability. The device features an adjustable footboard, a gliding sled that uses 10 bearing wheels for smooth travel, and 6 levels of elastic resistance. The outer 4 cords with a gray holder produce approximately 8 pounds of resistance at full stride. The inner 2 cords have a black cord holder and produce approximately 12 pounds of resistance at full stride. A manual is provided as well as a bag of accessories, which includes 2 clips, 2 adjustable straps, and 2 replacement cords. The device only weighs 8 pounds and can produce up to 50 pounds of resistance, so stabilizing the base is very important during use. We'll focus first on the in-bed setup using the lumbar pillow to anchor the base. To do this, first release all cords and fully extend the carriage so that the footplate is in line with the foot. Next, adjust the length of the pelvic strap so that the lumbar pillow is positioned at the low back. Ensure that the pelvic strap is aligned with the leg during exercise. Flex the knee to engage an elastic holder from the top notch to the lower notch located on the base. Perform a controlled leg press by slowly pushing out, holding extension for 2 to 3 seconds, and with control, slowly flexing the knee back to the starting position. Keep the knee pointed upwards during exercise and push through the heel for optimal gliding. Do not allow the knee to lock out. The knee should be slightly flexed to keep the thigh muscles engaged at all times. Add resistance by engaging more elastic cords until the exercise is challenging but still allows for controlled movement. Make a goal of about 100 repetitions per day for optimal strength training. The Mini can also be used for both legs. Another in-bed setup is using the 2 adjustable straps and clips to secure the base. First, insert the clips into the front corners of the Mini and run the cord through them. Adjust the strap length to your hands and use your arms to stabilize the base. This method allows you to change the knee flexion during a session by progressively shortening the strap length for a greater knee flexion. This may be helpful for those of you trying to gain knee flexion, say after a total knee replacement. You can also insert the adjustable straps into the holes at the 4 base legs to secure the device onto a bed or a plinth. For sitting exercise, use the clips and adjustable straps to secure onto the chair legs or place against the wall for stability. Never stand on the device, as the device was meant for people who are unable to stand and need a slow progression to full body weight standing. For the Smart MOVAO Mini, we've included a laser distance sensor which detects carriage travel during exercise and sends this data to your personal device for extra gaming. The MOVAO Play app is available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. We've also included QR codes in the manual for a direct link. Once you've downloaded the app, place the laser sensor into the slot located on the back of the Mini. Hold down the center button for 2 seconds to turn on the sensor, and the device will automatically sync to the MOVAO Play app. After the laser is synced, the first screen is a range of motion page, which sets the low and top ends of the gameplay. Perform 1 or 2 reps to set the limit and press accept. After setting the limits, the next screen is the home page, which allows you to choose from training modules or a library of different games. The training module is the first game and features an isometric and eccentric training game. These games are especially useful to relearn motor control for neurological conditions. Other games include Space Shooter, Soccer Pong, Brick Breaker, Basketball for isometric holding, Flappy Bird, and Downhill Skiing. Worth noting, use the Mini on a stable and flat surface. The laser uses a light beam to detect the distance as it strikes a horizontal beam underneath the carriage. If the device is used on a soft bed comforter, the fabric could interfere with the light beam and display no movement. To remedy this, use the device on a flat sheet or a piece of cardboard to allow the light to strike the carriage underneath. For 2025 and beyond, We'll be optimizing the current games and adding more games to the library.